Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Meta Business Suite for Reels Publishing, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Meta Business Suite for Reels Publishing, begin by opening the Meta Business Suite app or website. Log in to your business account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu located in the lower left corner. In the Settings, look for the Business Account section. Click on Business Account to ensure it is correctly set up. If you haven't linked your Instagram account yet, you will need to do so now. Select the option to link your Instagram account. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your Instagram login details. Ensure you grant the necessary permissions for Meta Business Suite to access your Instagram account. Once linked, return to the main dashboard of Meta Business Suite. Locate the Content tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Content tab to access your posting options. In the Content area, select Create New Post. Choose the option for Reels from the available content types. Now, upload your video by clicking on the Upload button. Add any desired edits, effects, or captions to your Reels video. Review your content to ensure everything appears as you wish. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button. Your Reels will now be published directly to your Instagram account. Confirm the successful posting by checking your Instagram profile. You have now successfully authenticated and published Reels using Meta Business Suite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.